there's one thing that I've had the most annoyance with in this car after a single turbo, is the fact that my coolant tank is still leaking coolant. It's actually the reason that my car still runs water in the coolant tank and not coolant, because about every 2 to 3 days I have to fill it, the coolant expansion tank up with water. How much cost that would be for this coolant? It's honestly not fun. So anyways, today we're gonna try to go and see if we can fix this problem. I'm hoping it's a $5 AutoZone run, basically. I don't remember what they really look like. This is a 12 pack. This is the biggest O-rings they had in a pack. So cross our fingers, hope it works. Bro, can you guys see this? What the hell? Are you serious? Bro, it cracked. My plastic cracked. Whoa, is that the actual? Oh no, dude. Oh my god. So it's looking like we're gonna have to run to the store again because my radiator is actually leaking from the plastic right here. Very small. You can't even see it, the hairline leak, I'm guessing. We gotta go get some JB Weld. But let me fix this part, or try to fix this part first. Like do all this stuff, see if the O-ring will fit in there, all that blah blah blah. And then we'll drive back to O'Reilly's or AutoZone and get JB Weld and do that too. I did not expect that today, not gonna lie. Alright, you guys can barely see anything, but it's not like the theme of my channel. You guys can barely see anything. I feel like I say that all the time. But put the O-ring in. It doesn't really look different, of course, because it's just an O-ring. And we're gonna start her up, and we just put some water in right now. Start her up and see. Like I said, we have this leak here, so we're gonna have to like quickly go drive down to AutoZone to get JB Weld, and we'll figure that out in a second too.
Bourbon sauce, and brown sugar bacon, and Angus steak, and a top bun. This shit look nasty as fuck. Barbies, we have the meat.
So I decided to get this plastic weld. I was reluctant on getting this one because I was thinking of getting the high heat one, but the high heat didn't say anything about plastic, and I just had a feeling that it might like somehow melt plastic or like some weird chemical that would mess the plastic up. So I got this one. We'll put it on there and let her cure. I guess it's supposed to be done in 5 minutes. That's kind of fast. Quick setting epoxy. But yeah, I don't honestly think I'm gonna do 5 minutes. I think probably let it sit for a couple hours, honestly.
5 hours later.
So it looks like, see that little patch right there? It seems like it's all good to go. Still not really sure. I don't think we'll really be sure. Turn the car on and stuff. This O-ring thing that I did, I think worked. God dang, but I'm gonna put some water in here. I'll have you know that my...
Let me be your camera guy today.
Yeah, this feels weird having it in my hand. Oh, I feel so good. Oh my god. Dude, it was so hot today.
Yeah, anyways, it's hella hot.
Zoom in here. So I had a little bit of a leak right here. A little hairline fracture. They know. JB Weld. But JB Weld it. It's been like 3 days. So last time you guys saw the last clip was like 3 days ago. So it's been working pretty well. The O-ring we put in the coolant tank also worked out. So we're really, really happy. Just in time. We're out here with the boys. No, not them. They the girls, bro. You got pan over. There you go. We got a little cruise going on. I don't know what's the action, bro.
Let's do a walk around. Let's go over there.
Let's go do a little walk around. I had a Subaru. It never ever will get a Subaru again, but this is one of the ones that I would get again. The older generation.
But you had a Subaru?
Yeah, that's STI, bro.
Oh, did you like it?
No. It's just terrible. Hey, go ask AJ, bro. Go ask AJ.
You can even ask AJ the same question.
Yeah,
he was STI, literally.
And I did too.
Damn.
But I had 19,000 miles on it. Look at this.
19,000?
Patrol, bro.
Pog Patrol?
Pog Patrol.
What does POG stand for?
Filipinos are a wanking gang. Huh? Just get a front mount. You see that in there?
What's your opinions on it?
That means it's boosted. What are my opinion? That thing probably weighs like 1,000 pounds at most.
That's true.
You are him, bro. You are him, Jello.
I'll never be him.
You're him, bro.
I'll never be him.
Bro, look at this thing.
I know, R33. You like this?
Yeah, I think it's a GTS.
It's a GTR.
Nah, bro.
You call it a GTS? That's a disrespect.
No, I bet you it is a GTS, but they put an RPD motor in it.
Damn, that's clean though.
This is really clean. Like, there's not even any, like, zoom in on this, bro. There's not even any chips or nothing.
Like paint is fresh.
Carbon. I bet you that carbon is like hella expensive.
Probably not. What do you think? Would you own one of these if you had like?
I would, but I would not have a green manifold. That's the only thing.
Yeah, the green is a little ballsy.
TEs, these are cool. Brakes cool. These seats are cool. Look at those things. Right hand drive, of course. So I would take the R32 over the R33, and of course R34 over the R32.
I'd probably say the same.
I feel like most people would think that. There's only a few people who would say otherwise, but this is really cool though.
You know, I probably my favorite GTR is the R32.
You think so?
Yeah, I don't know.
What makes that better than the R34 to you?
I think the R34 is overly hyped, and I feel like I see him so many times to the point where like I kind of got used to him. Now I kind of like every time I see an R34, I see like regular traffic.
See you guys on the road.
Yes, sir. Is that Beat a Stink?
Hey, Beat a Stink, bro.
Damn, fucking weak. That's not Beat a Stink. Hey, that ain't know who that is? It's Don't Be in Stink.
Be the same.
Beat a Stink.
Hey. Some ugly ass Beamers, bro.
Hey, that's your brother's car? Huh? That's your brother's car?
Yeah, that's my brother.
How do you feel?
Good.
Represented from the outside.
What's up? When are they gonna send me a front lift? Hey, give me your brakes.
Hey, let me buy your wheels off you, bro.
Part out, part out.
What do you think? What do you think?
This is what I call you tonight, bro.
Good girl.
I'm calling you that. The breeze is coming, but it's super hot. Like for as long as you have just saw that clip or seen that clip, that was how long the cruise was. Kid you not. Ain't gonna lie, the shittiest thing I've ever did.
Yep.
I think I wasted gas.
I did, same here.
That's crazy. These guys drove out like 35 to 40 minutes for this, bro. I was actually close. Me and Nigel was actually also a 20-minute drive. Nigel over there with the red GTI, 20-minute drive.
Welcome back, guys, to another video. And today we're gonna be at a cruise/beach. I have no idea where we are right now.
Why did we go on that freeway?
Bro,
and then
20-minute drive here, 40-minute drive here, and we did what? Nothing.
We drove like 3 exits, got lost, took another exit, made a circle to a fucking middle of a freeway, and this is the lineup basically.
Oh, this is a 4-door R32 right here?
I got like I got a light GTS. See, I like this.
Hey, I want these wheels, bro. I want those. Oh, really? I like this color. Big wing on a, what do you call it? The Subaru. Fuck. Can I speak English for a second, bro? I want raised. I'm getting raised, bro. I'm getting raised. What? Oh, that's hella cool. Oh, the Sparkle Evos are hella cool, yeah. Anyway, guys, that is it. We are heading out. You guys can see, honestly, not the best, but always cool to hang out with the homies. And again, if you guys do have a leak like I did, go ahead and try it out, bro. I tried the plastic JB Weld. Sometimes you want a radiator one if you have metal, but honestly, the plastic one works pretty well for now. I will update you guys in the future if it leaks or anything like that. So peace out, and yeah, have a good rest of your guys, whatever you guys are up to right now. Peace.